Hi, my name is Sean Ryan, one of the technical sales engineers with NovaTech, and in this video I'm here to discuss the conversion process from the OrionLX CPX to the new and improved OrionLX Plus. The LX Plus has about 6 times the CPU power and double the memory than the CPX. It also now supports up to 40,000 points, contains digital video, supports up to 5 different Ethernet ports, has hot swappable power supplies on the front of the unit, supports the new Nova card feature, and also supports SFP ports for onboard fiber. Familiarity is a common theme between the LX Plus and the past CPX. On the front of the LX Plus, you'll find a similar display panel, showing again RX and TX lights for all of the serial ports available on the rear of the unit, as well as some new indicators, such as that for redundancy with active and standby LEDs on the front of the LX Plus. New to the LX Plus are dual front-mounted hot swappable power supplies, which can be of different voltage inputs. If utilizing one of the transduction touchscreen monitors, instead of using the VGA port on the LX CPX, you can now utilize the display port on the back of the LX Plus, and then convert to DVI, and then connect to the transduction monitor. The rear of the OrionLX was designed to mimic that of the OrionLX CPX. All of the ports and terminals have been numbered the same, so that drawings don't have to be updated when migrating from an LX CPX to an LX Plus. This also makes it easier when field installing, so that wires are moved from like-numbered terminals. All of the serial cards that were available on the LX CPX are also available on the LX Plus, and are in fact these same cards. These cards can actually even be moved from an old CPX model to the new LX Plus. Some of these terminals, such as on the 485 card, are removable so that individual wires don't have to be removed and can simply be moved from the CPX over to the LX Plus. The LX Plus now has 2 standard Ethernet ports, with 5 total being available. With the optional Nova card, an additional copper Ethernet port along with 2 SFP ports are now available. The SFP ports allow either single mode or multi-mode fiber to be used directly with the OrionLX Plus. Just a few wires, such as the power supply and I/O wires, will have to be manually moved. Migrating from an LX CPX to an LX Plus couldn't be any easier. Within NCD, go to File, Convert, and find LX to LX Plus conversion. Find your original configuration, such as here my OrionLX configuration. Open that, then find an existing directory. Add a new file. I'm going to call this my Plus. Click Save. And the tool is automatically going to convert that file for you, give you the results of your operation, and that's it. After browsing to the OrionLX Plus internal web pages, even the landing page appears the same as it did on the LX CPX. Enter the username and password, click Login. The home page looks the exact same, as does the Systems tab, as does the Settings tab, and all others. To anyone who's configured an OrionLX CPX, this will feel completely familiar. For those who utilize the sysfiles.zip as a template file of the system files, this file will need to be recreated, as the LX Plus does not allow an import from an original OrionLX CPX. Does the LX Plus sound like a lot more than the LX CPX? Well, it is, except that it'll cost just about the same.